Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fixing Expert. Today we're diving into the exciting world of interior design. Are you ready to transform your living space without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck because in this video we'll be exploring the hottest 2024 interior design trends that you can actually afford. Stick around for some budget-friendly tips and tricks that will elevate your home without emptying your wallet. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now let's jump into the trends. Before we start, it's important to note that today's focus is on affordability. We believe that great design doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. So let's get started with our first trend. One of the biggest trends for 2024 is the emphasis on sustainability. We're seeing a shift towards eco-friendly choices, and a fantastic way to incorporate this into your home is through sustainable and upcycled furniture. Check out thrift stores and online marketplaces, or even try some DIY projects to breathe new life into old pieces. Not only is this environmentally friendly, but it also adds a unique touch to your space. Now let's talk about color schemes. In 2024, we're moving away from stark whites and embracing warm, earthy tones and rich jewel colors. Think deep greens, warm terracottas, and bold blues. These colors not only create a cozy atmosphere but are also incredibly versatile, allowing you to mix and match without breaking the bank. Consider accent walls, throw pillows, or even affordable artwork to incorporate these colors into your home. Our next trend is all about maximizing functionality. Living in a smaller space doesn't mean sacrificing style. Multifunctional furniture and smart storage solutions are on the rise. Look for pieces that serve more than one purpose, like a sofa with built-in storage or a coffee table that can also be a desk. Let's move on to patterns. Gone are the days of playing it safe with neutral tones. In 2024, we're embracing the power of patterns. Mixing and matching different patterns can add visual interest to your space without spending a fortune. Try combining stripes with florals or geometric shapes with organic prints. Just remember to stick to a cohesive color palette to tie everything together seamlessly. Now, who doesn't love a bit of tech in their home? Smart home technology is more accessible than ever, and it's a trend that's here to stay. Look for budget-friendly smart home upgrades like smart plugs, affordable smart bulbs, and even DIY smart home kits. These additions not only enhance the functionality of your home but also give it a modern and sophisticated touch. There you have it, folks, the 2024 interior design trends that won't break the bank. Remember, great design is all about creativity and making the most of what you have. Which trend are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, happy decorating!